God the best. For your convenience, our dear guests, comfort rooms are available in the tourist rest area. That is in the right side of our venue when facing our stage. Please do not hesitate to ask for assistance. Your local tour guides will be at your self-service. Once again, we may also take this opportunity for a pray-over or for a healing prayer by one of the priests available in our area.
Hala, ay no, natangkan na siya guys.
So ladies and gentlemen, you may now settle down for our program proper. Requesting everyone to please settle down as we are about to start our program proper. Once